Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Redmi Note 14S. Alright, so let's begin. Let's simply open up settings first. And the first method that I'm going to show you is simply from the settings. And this method, of course, is recommended when we have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive. So we need to simply type in here reset. It will be the fastest option. Click on backup. Sorry, my bad. I misclicked. Click on backup and restore. Scroll down into the bottom. Sorry, my bad. Factory reset. I did it well. And now it will erase the following items, as you can see. So it will be contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups, SD cards, SD card data, and other items on this device. Now all you need to do is to simply click on that red button, erase all data. After that, if you do everything properly, your screen will go black. Then your phone will be turned off, then turn on automatically. And the next thing you need to do is to set up your phone. Of course, remember that all of your data will be permanently lost. But if you want, you can always create a backup before that process. If you don't know how to create such a backup of your data, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you the whole process. So if you want, you can look for it. And there's also the second method, just like I have said. To do it, we need to power off our phone first. So let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and let's click on power off. Alright, just like that. And this method is through the recovery mode. Now to enter this recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And when the Redmi logo appears, we can release the finger from the power button, but we need to keep on holding the volume up to get access to recovery mode. So let's keep on holding. Alright, now we can release the finger from the power button, but let's keep on holding the volume up. Alright, just like that. And now using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now again select wipe all data. Click on power button. Select confirm. On the top of the screen you can read that and this cannot be undone. So remember about it, that you will lose all of your data. Now confirm once more. Okay, data wiped successfully. Click on back to main menu. Now click on reboot. Now reboot the system. And within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically. And now all you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.